Please be under 20 minutes. Yes! Hello and welcome to my channel. I have created this under 20-minute morning Hatha yoga flow in order to help you and me wake up. This 12-minute series of postures and 3-minute meditation is perfect for all levels and no props are required. So let's just get to it. We're going to begin standing at the top of our mat, feet hip-width distance apart, rolling your shoulders down and back, and equally distributing your weight on all four corners of your feet. Inhale your arms up and overhead. Full breath, come up onto your tippy toes. Exhale, press your arms down towards your sides. Inhale, reach your arms up and overhead. Come onto your tippy toes, and exhale, push your arms back down. One more. Inhale, as deep as you can, and then exhale, hands back at your side. Now that's 3 full breaths. We're going to continue that throughout. So on your next inhale, reach your arms back up overhead, but this time grab a hold of your right wrist. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale over towards the left, maybe crossing the right foot behind the left ankle. Hold for 3 full breaths. On your next inhale, bring your arms back to center, place your hands on your hips, and step your right foot back into a high lunge, making sure your left knee is directly over your left ankle and your hips are squared to the front of your mat. Inhale your arms up and overhead, and hold this for 3 full breaths. On your next exhale, release your right palm to the mat, reaching your left fingertips up towards the sky, and hold for 3 full breaths. Exhale your left hand down to the mat. Step your left foot back and press your hips up towards the ceiling, walking your hands back a little bit, coming into a downward facing dog, pedaling out through the knees, pulling your chest towards your thighs, and hold for 3 full breaths. On your next inhale, look forward and slowly walk your feet towards your hands, coming into a forward fold, bending deeply into both knees, letting your head hang, releasing all the tension in your shoulders, and hold for 3 full breaths. On your next inhale, bring your hands to your shins, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale slowly brings you up to standing. Roll your shoulders down and back. Inhale your arms up and overhead. Grab a hold of your left wrist. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale over towards the right, maybe crossing your left foot behind your right ankle. Hold for 3 full breaths. Inhale brings you back to center. Bring your hands to your hips and step your left foot back. Lunge. Aligning your right knee over your right ankle, squaring your hips towards the front of your mat. Inhale your arms up and overhead and hold for 3 full breaths. On your next exhale, release your left palm to the mat, reaching your right fingertips up towards the sky, twisting your chest towards the right. Hold for 3 full breaths. Exhale your right hand to the mat, but this time step your left foot forward to meet the right, coming into a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale slowly up to standing. Bring your feet as wide as the mat, but parallel with the mat, so still facing forward. Inhale your arms up and overhead. Exhale to sit your sits bones back like you're trying to get into a chair, and bring your torso parallel with the mat. Hold for 3 full breaths. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center, place your elbows at your knees, turn your toes out wide, and sit your hips down, coming into a yogi squat for 3 full breaths. Exhale to release your hands behind you, coming into a seat. Crossing your legs, maybe. Just anything that's comfortable. Walk your hands out to a T. Inhale your right arm up. Place your right index finger and middle finger to frame the left ear, and tilt your head over towards the right. Hold for 3 full breaths. Can I stop saying that? Do you guys know that we're holding it for 3 breaths? Okay, good. Exhale to release. Inhale your left arm up and overhead, placing your left pointer finger and middle finger to frame the right ear, tilting your head over towards the left. Exhale to release. Come into all fours with your wrists underneath your shoulders and your knees under your hips, and take some cats and cows, feeling into the spine. Inhaling, lifting your chest forward, tailbone up. Exhale to round through the spine, pulling your tailbone back. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, round, releasing the neck. Inhale. Exhale. Keeping your knees under your hips, reach your right arm up towards the sky, and exhale to thread it through underneath the left, bringing the right ear to the mat. And if you feel comfortable here, try extending your left leg out towards the left. Bring your foot back to center, press yourself back up. Walk your left toes over towards the right of your mat and look back towards your left toes. Bring your left knee back to meet the right. Other side. Reach the left arm up towards the sky. Exhale, thread it through underneath the right. If you feel comfortable here, maybe walking the right foot out towards your right side. Pointing the toes forward. Bring your leg back to center, press back up, walk your right toes over towards, and look back towards your right toes. Pressing back through the heel, really feeling that side body stretch. Bring your right knee back to meet the left. Keep your hips aligned over your knees as you walk your hands out in front of you, bringing your head down into puppy pose. On your next inhale, press your forehead off the mat. Shift your weight forward onto your stomach. Inhale to press yourself up into Sphinx pose. Exhale to release. Press yourself back into a wide-legged child's pose. Close down your eyes. Release any tension that you've been holding in your face. Keeping your eyes closed, press yourself up and come down into a comfortable seat. We're going to do a short little meditation to settle from the movement down into our breath. So on your next inhale, I want you to inhale as deeply as you can, deeper than you have all day. A little bit more. And exhale, slowly let all of the air back out. Take another deep breath. And exhale slowly. Last one, inhale all the way to the top through the nose. And exhale slowly out through the nose. Now I want you to inhale all the way to the top. Open your mouth and exhale and let it all out. Inhale deeply. Fill up your lungs. Open your mouth and sigh it all out. Last one, inhale as full as you can. Open your mouth and sigh it all out. Good. Now let your breathing fall back into its natural rhythm. Not trying to change it, just letting it flow. Before jumping back into your day, I want you to take a moment and set an intention for it. This could be as simple as one word, like peace, or balance, or focus. Don't think about what you have to do, Don't think about how you're going to do it all. Just think of an intention of how you want it to go and breathe into it. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your hands to heart center. Slowly dip your chin and rub your hands back together before opening your eyes and returning to the space around you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for choosing to practice with me, and namaste.